join the enforcement committee and monitoring committee. So they have gone to, as on yesterday, they have gone to more than 10 places in South Salset and Mormugao, and more than 6 places in Kanpur. So they are filling the checklist. They are updating what are the field realities, whether people have fire NOCs, whether there is a mandatory, exit option, escape route, all those things. So they have given a checklist. They are doing it. They are filling it, and they are coming back to us.
Any illegal check or nightclub has been found?
So we have already closed 2 places, 2 clubs, 2 spa centers. And we are expecting to take action. Once that is done, we will communicate to the media.
Any illegalities found by this committee?
There are certain illegalities, not illegality per se, certain deviations, certain violations, like certain places may fire extinguisher expiry date is over, certain people have not kept the fire extinguisher, those deviations are there. So we have given them time also, 7 days time, so we will revisit them. In that time, if they are not complying, then we will be taking stringent action.